In the wake of Zimbabwe's disputed election last August, tensions have been running high. The Southern African Development Community, or SADC, has been thrust into the spotlight, tasked with navigating a political crisis that could set precedents for democracy across Africa. Amidst allegations of electoral fraud and widespread international criticism, Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa, whose victory has been under severe scrutiny, took a bold step. He convened a secret meeting with the SADC Troika. This wasn't just any meeting, it was a strategic maneuver aimed at discussing not only the political unrest, but also the protests planned by Zimbabwe's opposition. SADC's response to Zimbabwe's election debacle is critical. Their actions or inactions could either uphold democratic norms or allow them to erode, setting a dangerous precedent not just for Zimbabwe, but for the entire Southern African region. In the corridors of power, where every conversation can alter the fate of millions, the stakes are unimaginably high. Mnangagwa's meeting with the SADC leaders wasn't just about smoothing over diplomatic wrinkles. It was about securing his position and possibly negotiating support against the brewing protests. But here's the catch. The effectiveness of SADC in managing such crises has been questioned. Their acceptance of the electoral report and the serious consideration of the citizens' petition represents a positive step. But is it enough? As I speak, the international community watches closely. The outcomes of these discussions could lead to significant shifts in policy and power, influencing not only the political landscape but also the lives of ordinary citizens across the region. This meeting, shrouded in secrecy and laden with implications, is more than just political theater. It's a test of integrity, diplomacy, and leadership under fire. As SADC and Zimbabwe navigate these turbulent waters, the question remains: will they emerge as champions of democracy or as enablers of its decline? Stay tuned, and let's continue to scrutinize the actions of those in power, ensuring they are held accountable for the roles they play on this vast political stage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful political analysis.